Do you want to get better output and responses from ChatGPT? I'm going to break down exactly how to go about crafting a prompt that will give you the best output for what you're looking for. So let's dive right in. First off, I think you should start every single prompt with, I want you to act as. This is where you convey to ChatGPT the exact context it's operating under. So you could say, I want you to act as a personal trainer. I want you to act as an advertiser. I want you to act as a travel guide. In this example, I'm going to say, I want you to act as an advertiser. The next sentence of your prompt should start with, I will. This is where you set the relationship between you and ChatGPT and what data you will provide it. So back to my example, I said, I will give you a product and the target customer. Now the next part of the prompt should start with, you will. This is where you lay out the goals for ChatGPT and exactly what the output should be. So back to my example, I said, you will create a campaign to promote the product. You will choose the product slogan, channels for promotion, the key messaging, and the brand guidelines. Now this is the opportunity to get as specific as you want. My prompt is pretty basic, but if I wanted to get more specific around the messaging should be funny or anything else specific to the goal of the outcome, this is where you would include that. Next off, you put in your request. So now I'm putting in my first request, which is a product, which is a new type of candy that looks like rocks and tastes like fruit. That's all I could come up with. Target audience is young adults age 15 to 23. Now at this point, we have a pretty good basic prompt. We've laid out our goals, we've laid out what we want out of the output, and we've laid out the relationship between me and ChatGPT. At this point, I'm gonna see what it spits out. Now, if you wanna see the output, you could pause the video, take a look. And here's the rest of it.